Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are trying to discuss about what is the importance of stock market for investments. So here due to this COVID pandemic, everybody is started investing in stock market. But why this boom is going on now? What is the reason behind that? But still, only the less than 5% of the people are doing the investing or doing in stock market. That is investing in stock market. But still, more than 95% people are still away from the stock market because they don't have much awareness about what is stock market, what is their importance, how to invest in a stock market, all these things. But the stock market is a very nice place where you will get lot of or thousands of opportunities per day. Even if you make use of one or two opportunities per day or three opportunity, at least it will be very useful for you to get your living going. You can easily make 500 or 1000 rupees per day. So we know there are a lot of people are started suiciding or doing so many things because of this pandemic. But no, these people are not aware of these things. These people are not aware of the investment opportunity which is available. Even if with a very less percentage, that 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, you can start earning consistent income, 10%, 20%, 30%. If you keep on improving, then we can make a very regular income from the stock market. There are different opportunities or different options are there in stock market, but we should be in a position to utilize why we have to use the stock market. So before going, we should know who are the people who are already investing in stock market. So when you talk about the people who are already invested in stock market, we already know the famous name. There is Warren Buffett is there, Jeff Bezos is there, Mukesh Ambani is there, Radhakrishnan Damani is there, Rajesh Jhunjhunwala is there, Firinchu Elliott is there. So all these people actually earning lot of money from this, that is from this stock market. Warren Buffett is the number one who earned billions of rupees from the stock market, and Jeff Bezos is there. He's also another one of the brilliant person who also earned a lot of money from this one because their shares are already listed in stock market. The same way we know the Mukesh Ambani from India, who is the founder of or the owner of Reliance Industries. So he's also earning a lot of money from it because his once the people started buying his shares, his company is getting lot of foreign investments, and it is going like anything. In near future, I feel 3000, 4000, it can cross, it can go to a very high level also. So but still people are not ready to buy these kind of shares or utilize any opportunities. That is actually the lack of knowledge towards the stock market. So there are other people also. Radhakrishnan Damani is there. He was initially an investor, then he started his own company, that is a demat. Then Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is there. He's also a very famous investor in that. He's also started investing, and he has earned more than 10,000 crore from stock market, and his wife is also invested in this. And there is another person called Vijay Kedia. He's also a value investor. He's also earning crores of money from this. Then the last one, that is the Firinchu Elliott. He's also one person from Kerala. He's also earning a lot of money from this stock market. But still, the common man is not looking into this the stock market because they are not aware of what are the opportunities which is present in stock market. That is the main reason why these people are not able to utilize this opportunity. So it is my request to anybody who is watching this video, they should be immediately start investing stock market. This is one of the best place you can earn a lot of money. Only thing here you have to concentrate is that you have to buy some very good companies, especially the Nifty 50. If you take, there are some 50 stocks, they are doing wonders. That is, whenever these stocks are coming at very good prices or the very good value area, so that means we have to watch not 50 stocks, at least 2 or 3 stocks you just start watching and just start investing. Just with 100 rupees, 200 rupees or 500 rupees, then you can easily learn easily. Initially you start with a very small amount, then slowly you can increase the amount, but just start investing. First you just take some 50 Nifty 50 companies and just start investing some small amount. Then you know the potential of these companies. once you start investing in this. So it is a very good platform or very good opportunity to all the Indians, all the people in the world. They can easily start earning from the stock market. So it is a very good opportunity. So before starting the investment, so you should have some idea about what is the structure of stock market. So in order to find the structure of stock market, actually the full control of the whole stock market is done by SEBI. So SEBI is actually the king of stock market. So that is SEBI is nothing but the Stock Exchange Bureau of India. So whenever any company who required money, what they will do is they list their company through initial public offering in stock exchange. So once it is invested in stock exchanges, we know in our country there is in India there is National Stock Exchange is there, Bombay Stock Exchange. So both stock exchange we can buy shares. So we cannot directly buy shares from the stock exchanges. We cannot buy shares from the stock exchange directly. So we have to use the help of a broker. So one of the example for a broker is Zerodha, Upstock, etc. So these two brokers are doing very well nowadays. So we can use these stock brokers for purchasing the shares. So there are mainly three categories of people who are purchasing the shares. First one is retail investors. Retail investors is the one who are just like you and me. So we can purchase the shares from the stock market through this brokers, Zerodha or Upstock. And there are some few foreign institutional investors are there. So they are the one who are investing in Indian stock market from outside of India. Then DIA is there. There is DIA is domestic institutional investors. That is the mutual fund or corporates or mutual fund companies. So these are the people who are actually investing in stock market. So these people are investing through a broker. So broker will be either you can take a Zerodha or Upstock. So when you talk about the percentage of people who are investing in stock markets, it is very less than 20% or less than 5% you can say actively participating investors in India. So when you talk about the developed countries, from this graph you can see almost 60 to 70% people are invested in stock market in USA or then Poland or some developed countries. But when you talk about India, the people are still very less who are investing in stock market. So there is a lot of opportunity available in stock market when you start investing in it. So we have to utilize that opportunity very well. So when you before investing, we should have some idea about the different websites we should know, or we should have an idea about what are the different websites we required. So the first one is ticker tape. That will give an idea about the fundamental analysis of the stock, as well as the little bit of technical analysis also from that stock. What is the value of that particular stock for a different time frame? And Screener is also a very nice website where we will get a very good idea about the fundamental PB ratio, EPS ratio, all these things, and fundamentally how many shares of that particular company is occupied by FIA, DIA, then the normal our retail investors, etc. And the third website is TradingView. TradingView is also, it is very good for technical analysis. So what is the area of value of a particular stock, or what is the place in which we have to purchase that particular stock. So all these things we should get an idea about the TradingView website. Then the fourth one is charting. That is also a very good platform for this technical analysis. Then there is a moneycontrol.com is there. So that will also give an idea about the both fundamental as well as technical. It is also give an idea about the different dividends, IPO details, etc. Then there is NSE website is there. NSE also will give a fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and whether that company is going to give a dividend, IPO details, etc. Then Zerodha Varsity is the place where we can learn A to Z about stock market. What is option, what is future, what is the different technical analysis, what is chart pattern, trend line, all these things we can learn from Zerodha Varsity. Value Research is another website where those who are afraid of a stock market or investing directly into that, we can make use of this value investing website where we will get more detailed about the mutual fund details. Then the next website is Investopedia. It is also more or less similar to TradingView. So there we will mostly learn about the technical analysis of a particular stock. Then we can also learn all these things from the trend line. That is also another website where we can have both fundamental as well as technical analysis of a particular stock. So these are some of the 10 websites. So whenever you want to buy any particular thing, we have to make us go to this particular stock and make use of that opportunity and select a stock which is having very good FIE investment, very good DAE investment, and very good retail participation, very good promoter holding. So all these things you check before investing into the stock market. Then here I am going to discuss about the 10 important decisions you have to take before putting any investment. So the first one is take only the 10 stocks at a time. So you have to select from each sector, whether it is banking sector you have to select, or if you are taking any share from the automobile sector or from pharmaceutical sectors, you take one or two best stock from one particular area. Then you start investing in that, and always try to buy at lower prices and sell at higher prices. Then the third criteria you should follow is don't wait for the time, wait for the price to come to your level to purchase a particular stock, and takes time to analyze the stock. So always what people will do is first they will invest, then only they will start investigating. So we should not do that. First we have to start analyzing the stock, investing the stock. So we have to see what is the PE ratio, what is the EPS ratio, what is the debt ratio. All these things we have to analyze before investing, and invest in a stock which is best in that particular sector. That is very important. We have to invest in best in that, but pharmaceutical sector, which company is best in that particular area. In that we have to invest, and don't panic, because always market will not be going up. It will always try to come back also. So we should not get panic at the time of correction. And whenever you feel any particular stock is not performing well, you have to stick to we don't have to stick to that underperformance. We have to immediately remove that underperformance, and we have to take a new company which is going on well or doing well their business. And always try to buy very good stock, especially the stocks which are having more than 400 or 500 rupees value, because they already came from a very low level and going at a higher level. The chances of the price decrease is very less in the case of better stock or best stock. So, and we should have a very good vision when to buy, when to sell, and all these stocks, and we should have a courage to keep these stocks with us for a particular time or particular period of time, and you should have patience also. These three things are very important in stock market investing. And we should also have an idea about the compounding effect, because we know compounding is very important. So that all of you try to understand what is compounding. It is actually the exponential growth. So we have to if you don't have an idea, please try to get what is compounding and try to learn that particular idea. If possible, I will also do a video for that particular thing. And don't take any decision in a stress. Okay, we have enough time, so take your time, then start investing in particular stock. That will be always good. So in order to start stock investing, so we need a demat account. So for that, taking demat account, from my experience, the Zerodha is one of the best stock broker available, and it is founded by Nitin Kamath in 2010. They are a discount broker, so they charge very low brokerage, and very good team is behind this Zerodha. So they are very innovative team, and always they will try to help us, and they are also very customer friendly, and they will also keep on updating each and everything at time to time in the website, and it is also a very investor friendly. So those who are want to start their journey in stock market, they can take the Zerodha as a very good platform for that, and they charge around 300 rupees. So if you want a free demat account, then I think you can go for Upstock. So they have also a very good facility like this. But this Zerodha is one of the brand. I think they are the first one who started discount broking. I think those who are interested, I think this is the best one. So finally, this quote by Rakesh Jhunjhunwala I really like. So it is actually saying, never argue with your market and your wife. Okay, so you know the side effects. So better don't argue with the market, go with that flow. So nobody can predict market. Even if they are at the top, they are also respecting market. always think market is above all of us, and nobody can predict that market. So that is the final quote. Hope my video was very useful to you. You got some basic idea about what is stock market and what are the how to start with stock market investing. If you feel this video is useful, please like and share. Okay, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.